Christian entrepreneur, have you ever felt like you're doing everything you know to do? You're praying, you're working, you're trying to be obedient, but your business still is not producing the results you expected. It feels heavy, it feels forced, like something just is not flowing. If you ever felt that way, there's a reason for it, and it comes down to one distinction: building for God versus building with God. You see, most Christian entrepreneurs build for God. They say things like, I'm doing this for God's glory. I'm building this for the kingdom. I just want God to bless what I'm doing. And on the surface, that sounds about right. But underneath it, there is a subtle problem. See, when you're building for God, you're still in control. You're choosing the direction, choosing the strategy, choosing what you think you should work on, and then asking God to bless it. So now your mindset becomes, God, I'm doing all the right things. Why isn't this working? And that's where frustration comes in. Because now you're working hard, but not seeing alignment. Building with God is much different. It's not, God, bless what I'm doing. It's, God, what are you doing? And how do I align with that? And instead of starting with strategy, you actually start with identity, assignment, and direction. Think about it like this. Imagine trying to build a house without the blueprint. You're still working, you're still putting in the effort, but things just don't line up. Walls don't fit, structure feels off, progress feels slow. That's what building for God feels like. Now imagine this, you have the blueprint. Now every move makes sense. That's what building with God feels like. You see, this is something that I had to learn the hard way. There was a season where I was doing everything, posting, building, creating, pushing, and I was doing it for God. But something was off. It wasn't until I slowed down and got aligned that things started to shift. When you build with God, your message becomes clearer, your decisions becomes simpler, your marketing becomes more natural, and you're no longer trying to force results. You're operating from alignment. And this is where a lot of entrepreneurs miss it. They think, I need a better funnel, or I need better ads, or I need more content. But the real question is, am I building with God or just for Him? Because if you're building for Him, you'll always feel pressure. If you're building with Him, things begin to flow. It's exactly why I teach identity, assignment, and authority, because those don't come from guessing. They come from alignment. And that's actually one of the core ideas inside my brand new book, Kingdom Marketing Secrets. Because see, most entrepreneurs don't need more strategy, they need alignment. And if you want to go deeper, much deeper into this, and understand how to actually apply it to your business today, you can grab a copy using the link below.
With the king, I don't hustle or chase. I move by sign, man, I stay in my place. Authority talk when I step in the room. Kingdom marketing, heaven set the moon. Built with the king, I don't hustle or chase. I move by sign, man, I stay in my place. Authority talk when I step in the room. Kingdom marketing, heaven set